X-ring versus O-ring motorcycle chains. What's the difference? Which is better? When it comes to choosing the right chain for your motorcycle, you may have come across the terms X-ring and O-ring and wondered what the difference is. In this video, we'll take a closer look at both these types of drive chains and help you decide which one is best for your motorcycle.
A X-ring chain, also known as a double X-ring or quad-ring chain, uses two X-shaped rings to seal in the lubricant between the inner and outer links. These rings are made of a special rubber compound that is designed to resist wear, as well as keep dirt and debris away. The X-ring type is less likely to stretch and wear out as quickly as an O-ring chain, making it a great choice for riders who want a longer-lasting option. The X-shaped cross-section helps to distribute the load more evenly across the chain, reducing stress on any one point. X-ring chains are often considered to be more precise and accurate than traditional chains, which can be beneficial for high-performance bikes. A X-ring has 4 contact points compared to the O-ring's 3, which greatly increases lubricant sealing performance. On the other hand, an O-ring chain is a type of sealed chain that uses O-shaped rings to seal the links together. These rings are also made of a special rubber compound that is designed to resist wear, but they are not as effective at keeping dirt and debris out of the chain as X-rings. The benefit of this type of chain is that it is more flexible and less likely to break, making it a great choice for riders who want a chain that is more forgiving and easier to maintain. O-ring chains are more affordable, and may be a better option for riders on a budget. Was this helpful? Do you have any more queries? Do leave your thoughts and feedback in the comments section below. Like, share and subscribe for more auto tech content.
Ready to order your chain sprocket kit today from www.sniper-auto.com? Our team of experts are always available to help answer any questions you may have. Just give us a call or WhatsApp us on +91 982 076 8083.